everybody, welcome to Fall Craft Designs. I'm Wendy. Today I'm going to show you the basics of creating a river tabletop. It's a top that we've made for my son's birthday to go on his sit-stand desk that he has. We're just going to replace the top with the one that he has right now. So I've documented most of the stuff that we did, and I hope you find this informative. If you enjoy my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, let me know where you're from, what you're working on, what you'd like to see me do, and I will try them all. You know me, I'll try it.
is?
No.
No?
No.
No idea.
No idea.
You didn't peek at it
No.
in my shop?
No.
No? All right.
Oh, what the heck? That's so cool. Oh, that's awesome. I was wondering why you wanted the knife. You're lying about the knife. Oh, that's so cool.
It's for your desk.
That's your new sit stand desk.
It's for what?
That's your new sit stand desk.
Oh, that'll. Oh my God, it's gonna go on top of that.
We're gonna take your computer off, and this is your new desk.
Oh, that's awesome. That's so sweet. Thank you.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's so cool. Thanks,
Happy
Dad.
birthday.
And there you have it, the basics of creating a river table. There were some mistakes made. We had a little bit of tear out with the router when we were doing the C channels. And we also probably should have made the blue layer thicker in order to allow us to put the C channels fully recessed in the base. And you could also see them a little bit through the blue because it wasn't thick enough. But then it would have made a really thick top and it would have been too heavy for the sit stand desk. So we did what we could and he was obviously very happy with it. And I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found this helpful. We'll see you soon. Take care.